Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Today's episode takes us to the United States of America. Straight from the pages of a sci-fi movie is the push of a virtual world in which humans interact through lifelike avatars and live in virtual countries where land and other goods and services can be purchased to increase social status. This is the world of living in a metaverse. A metaverse is a virtual reality space in which users can interact with others in a computer-generated environment. The word meta comes from the Greek prefix and preposition meta, which means after or beyond. When combined with words in English, meta signifies change or alteration. The term metaverse was first used in 1992 by Neil Stephenson in his science fiction novel titled Snow Crash. A metaverse combines multiple elements of technology including augmented reality, virtual reality, and video within a digital universe. According to Mark Zuckerberg and others from the famed Silicon Valley, metaverse is the future of the internet. When discussing metaverse, it is important to make a distinction between a metaverse and the metaverse. A metaverse can be created by any organization whose goal is to create a 3D virtual environment or world, but the phrase the metaverse is used when talking about a single organization controlling the digital universe. At present, Facebook aka Meta and Microsoft are currently vying for ownership for the creation of the metaverse. So how does one engage or become part of a metaverse? Well, first you must acquire items that will allow you to access a virtual or augmented reality. This includes the use of virtual reality headsets, which is rising in popularity even outside the gaming industry. Tech companies are working to find more ways to promote the use of virtual reality equipment to the masses. The metaverse will change social connections by creating an embodied experience as opposed to just viewing on the screen. This means an individual will be able to experience simulation of the senses of touch, smell, and even taste in a digital environment. Or physical impulses will feel real, like your heart racing after climbing a fictitious mountain. Another benefit will be the bridging of the gap of time and space by distance, where you will be able to enter a space virtually and be present with someone who is physically miles away. Unlike video chat, you will experience a feeling of being physically present with someone or a group of people in the new digital environment. The goal of the metaverse is to provide a more vivid social experience that you are unable to experience when viewing a screen. The metaverse will also change how we experience entertainment. This reality is becoming quite common and has increased since the onset of the pandemic. Many virtual parties have even been held. The metaverse will enhance this feature by allowing personal avatars to interact virtually. Remote work will be enhanced in the new digital environment, and currency as we know it will change forever. The value placed on paper money will diminish as the digital currency continues to increase in value. The rise of Bitcoin, NFTs, and other forms of digital currency is slowly shifting the global economy, and large companies are getting on board. The metaverse is no longer a concept but a reality, and companies like Samsung, Nike, and other big brands have begun buying up virtual real estate and other assets in the digital universe. Public media campaigns are underway to increase interest in actively engaging in a digital universe, and the benefits are showcased in advertisements and other marketing campaigns. Despite the announced benefits of a virtual or digital world, one con that will be hard to denounce is the addictive nature of humans, and if a virtual world brings greater joy than the real one, they may want to remain in a virtual world permanently. For example, if their avatar looks better than what they see in the mirror and they are able to acquire things and live in ways they are unable to in reality, They may favor their virtual selves than the human reality. This could result in an abandonment of daily responsibilities and interaction and more inward focus as one becomes trapped in a virtual reality. The advances in technology and the inevitable remoteness of goods and services due to the present pandemic is leaning towards a paradigm shift where one will embrace virtual reality. Changing the minds of people might not be hard, as persons are already adapting quickly to living in a digital environment for their own survival. The dangers of a metaverse where the rules of engagement vary from digital world to digital world lurks in the background as the push continues towards an expansion of a world where nothing needs to be physically real. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.